The 1931 China floods, caused by a combination of snowmelt, heavy rains, and cyclones, resulted in the death of an estimated 1 to 4 million people. This catastrophic event remains the deadliest natural disaster in recorded history, devastating vast regions and displacing millions. The 1556 Shaanxi earthquake in China, with a magnitude estimated at 8.0, caused massive destruction, killing approximately 830,000 people. The devastation was compounded by the collapse of loess caves, which were common dwellings in the region, amplifying the disaster's impact. The 1970 Bhola cyclone struck East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, in the West Bengal area of India, killing an estimated 300,000 to 500,000 people. This devastating cyclone, with wind speeds reaching 115 miles per hour, caused massive storm surges that inundated coastal areas, leading to widespread fatalities. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a 9.1 to 9.3 magnitude undersea earthquake, claimed the lives of approximately 230,000 to 280,000 people across 14 countries. The massive tsunami waves devastated coastal communities, highlighting the need for improved early warning systems. The 1887 Yellow River flood in China, caused by the river's dikes bursting after heavy rainfall, led to the deaths of an estimated 900,000 to 2 million people. The floodwaters inundated thousands of square kilometers of farmland and villages, causing widespread famine and disease. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia is the most powerful volcanic eruption in recorded history, killing around 71,000 people. The eruption caused global climatic changes, leading to the year without a summer and resulting in widespread crop failures and famine. The 526 Antioch earthquake, with an estimated magnitude of 7.0, struck the Byzantine Empire, modern-day Turkey, killing approximately 250,000 people. The earthquake caused widespread destruction and triggered fires that further devastated the city of Antioch and surrounding areas. The 1976 Tangshan earthquake in China, with a magnitude of 7.5, resulted in the death of at least 242,000 people. The earthquake struck in the early morning hours, causing widespread destruction of buildings and infrastructure and overwhelming the city's emergency response capabilities. The 1920 Haiyuan earthquake in China, with a magnitude of 7.8, killed approximately 273,400 people. The earthquake caused massive landslides and the collapse of thousands of buildings, devastating entire villages and contributing to the high death toll. The 2010 Haiti earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.0, resulted in the death of an estimated 160,000 to 230,000 people. The earthquake caused widespread destruction in the capital, Port-au-Prince, and surrounding areas, exacerbating the country's pre-existing social and economic challenges. The 1900 Galveston hurricane, one of the deadliest in U.S. history, killed approximately 6,000 to 12,000 people. The hurricane's powerful storm surge inundated the island city of Galveston, Texas, destroying buildings and infrastructure and highlighting the need for better coastal defenses. The 1984 famine in Ethiopia, caused by a combination of drought and political instability, resulted in the deaths of approximately 1 million people. The famine's devastating impact highlighted the urgent need for international humanitarian aid and improved food security measures. The 2008 Sichuan earthquake in China, with a magnitude of 7.9, killed nearly 87,000 people and left millions homeless. The earthquake caused widespread destruction, particularly in rural areas, and highlighted the importance of earthquake-resistant infrastructure. The 1970 Ancash earthquake in Peru, with a magnitude of 7.9, triggered a massive landslide from Mount Huascaran, burying the towns of Yungay and Ranraherca and killing approximately 66,000 people. The disaster emphasized the deadly combination of seismic activity and mountainous terrain. The 1935 Quetta earthquake in British India, now Pakistan, with a of 7.7, resulted in the deaths of around 30,000 to 60,000 people. The earthquake caused widespread devastation in the city of Quetta, collapsing buildings and infrastructure and highlighting the region's seismic vulnerability. The 2003 European heat wave, one of the deadliest in recent history, resulted in the deaths of an estimated 70,000 people across the continent. The extreme temperatures strained healthcare systems and underscored the growing threat of climate change and the need for adaptive measures.